po ay umaamin sa aking maling nagawa. Pinahintulutan ko po ang aking sarili na maging kasangkapan sa pagpapatupad ng isang masamang gawain. I, Roberto R. Bernardo, a resident of Malolos City, Bulacan. My statements hereunder are based on personal knowledge and direct interactions with great risk to my safety and that of my family members. I confirm the following. Congressman Zaldico. Congressman Zaldico one time called me and wanted to confirm, maayos bang kausap si Engineer Alcantara? Engineer Alcantara then told me that Kong Zaldico was asking for a 25% commission, 2% was to be shared equally between Engineer Alcantara and myself. He made deliveries of cash to Congressman Zaldico in compliance with his commitment, Senator Chis Escudero. Maynard Ngu is a close friend and campaign contributor of Senator Chis Escudero. I personally submitted a list of projects to Maynard Ngu. I asked, Boss, okay na ba ang 20%? Maynard said, okay. After inclusion of the projects in the GAA, I delivered 20% of approximately 800 million or about 160 million, which was meant for Senator Escudero. Senator Ramon Bong Revilla. Sometime in the year 2024, Senator Revilla and I met where I gave him a list of projects given to me by Engineer Alcantara. Senator Revilla asked for a commitment, which I suggested, then he approved at 25%. Senator Revilla will appreciate additional contributions for his senatorial re-election bid. Engineer Alcantara collected the 25% commitment, or about 125 million, which was turned over to me and then delivered to Senator Revilla in his house in Cavite. Senator Nancy Binay. Sometime in the year 2024, Carlin Villa, a staff of trusted confidant of Senator Binay, called me and asked for a commitment which was set at 15% of the total amount of the projects. Engineer Alcantara collected 15% commitment, or about 37 million, which was turned over to me and which I then delivered to Senator Binay at a house in Quezon City. I attest to the truth of the foregoing statements based on my personal knowledge and authentic records. Handa po akong gawin ang lahat ng nararapat upang maiwasto ang aking kamalian at maiwasan na ito'y mangyaring muli.